Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can click zoom effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I am going to add a photo to the track, and to make a smooth zoom effect, you can go to effect and select video effect and then select lens, and you can find, scroll down, you can find the zoom lens. Just add to the track and you can adjust for the duration and the same length with the duration of the effect, and click on effect, and you can adjust for the range and the speed, range and 10, and then speed and 20. You can see smooth zoom effect like this, and you can add to your video also. Okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button to appreciate.